It's good, YouTube. Elite Seer, another banger. Please like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the vid. I'm gonna take off the rope right now. Let's go to the thunderstorm. Let's have this on. Chicago.
Burj Khalifa is compared to our Trump Tower. Just take Trump Tower and put another Trump Tower on top of it. That's the rough height of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Roughly 2 Trump Towers tall. Now, what I like to do with these multi-million-dollar projects, this is called Wolf Point. Wolf Point is essentially where Chicago's early settlers lived. For its homesteads, for its hotels, for its bars. His thing, he really can't design these squares at all. That's Harry Weiss. And those are these Chicago River cottages, built in the 1980s. Now here on the right-hand side, where all these kayaks are in this wonderful greenery, this is the East Bay Club. Now the East Bay Club is a high-end fitness facility here along the river. Somebody along so I'll pop that ring. Alright, here on the right, East Bay Club. A lot of our celebrities have worked out here, such as Oprah Winfrey, the Obamas, Michael Jordan had a membership when he lived in the city. So East Bay Club high-end fitness facility. Now I want to talk about the building. You'll notice it has these windows facing the river, these wonderful trees, and it's all green and it's wonderful. But when this building was put up in the 1970s, we have in Chicago, this is Erie on the Park, and that's Kingsbury on the Park just over there, draw back right. Also those skyscrapers in the balconies there. So these are the only 2 European industrial style buildings we have in our city, started back in 2002, and they remain the only ones because the style didn't gain much popularity. Now if you look into the distance, there's one I want to point out, the concrete corners and the blue gloss facade. That is the Montgomery. Now the Montgomery was known as the Montgomery Ward Catalog Company until they went out of business in the late 1990s, and it's now Honda's. The reason they say it has those concrete corners is because Aaron Montgomery Ward, the owner of the company, believed that his executives should be equal to all of his other employees, so nobody got corner offices. Hence, put all the mechanicals and elevators and things all in the corners of the building. You do not see that often. It's extremely rare. Most buildings go for the central elevator core, which I'm sure you're all used to. That is a very unique building for that choice. It was designed by Minoru Yamasaki, same guy who designed the Twin Towers in New York, so very notable architect designed that. Now, Aaron Montgomery Ward, the original resident of that building with his company, started the Montgomery Ward Catalog Company here in Chicago in the late 1800s. With only about $1,600, and he grew his catalog company into this huge empire, being a huge competitor in the mail-in order catalog business. Now, I'm the youngest tour guide on this boat, and I did not know for sure what a catalog was when I started this job. I had to be told by the other tour guides. And it's a huge book, basically like Amazon Prime of the day. You would pull it up, and they would mail whatever item you saw in the book that you wanted. And I had to do some research on that because it's a little bit before my time. Now, he basically started that business, was extremely successful here in Chicago, and he did a lot with his money to help our city. One of the main things that he did is he gave us Grand Park today. So if you guys have been to Grand Park where Buckingham Fountain is, all those wonderful events take place when NASCAR is, hopefully those rains don't last too long. But he gave us Grand Park. So after the Chicago fire, Grand Park was pretty much just this empty lot of land. It had some animals being kept there, some rubble, and what real estate developers wanted to do was put up residential buildings in Grand Park.
Sun's out right now.
They turned around and they started heading back north. Yeah, because what they started heading back north. And on their way back north, they encountered a friendly tribe known as the Potawatomi. And the Potawatomi said, you guys could take a shortcut back up to New France. This shortcut was via the Ocean of Illinois. The Ocean of Illinois is the original name for Lake Michigan. So, they then walked the Mississippi River, up the Illinois River, up the Des Plaines River, and came to the Boston Pizza Way, where Chicago sits today. Now, we didn't have our first residence until over 100 years later.
Oh, gee.
And the only time he would get to interact with people when people wanted to buy a post office from. That's why he never sold it. Now, to the story is that the day after he sold that post office, he passed away. So it's like a very unfortunate ending to that tale for that wealthy British guy. But he was the last owner of the post office. And now it comes to Wolverine Petro. Very fancy, very well done. It went under, I believe, an $800 million renovation. Very nice. Here on the right hand side, this is the new post office. This is where they moved. It's by Knight Associates. You can tell we ship on that by truck. They decided to give this post office something very unique. They decided, oh my goodness, I have to get a break. They decided to give this post office a grand ballroom-like lobby. Absolutely beautiful. Now the reason they gave it this lobby is because they hope that as a post office, because it loses money each year as a government building and runs at a deficit, they're hoping that this lobby could be rented out for weddings, projects. So here are the reasons. Number one, it was an extremely dry summer. It happened in October. The previous summer, we had only half an inch of rain. Definitely not like this summer, but we had over 9 inches the other week. So it was extremely dry. The entire city was made out of wood and cast iron, practically kindling at that point. So everything was dry. When the fire started, there was a strong southerly wind blowing north. Now once it started and it was cold, and the firefighters were given the wrong address, so the fire had even more time to grow. They went a little bit further north, and they told the glow of the Chicago fire behind them as they realized that they were the wrong address. Now the fire, as it spread north, went through two extremely ironic buildings. The first one was the
Yeah.
as it spread north, it went through a coal warehouse. And then the next building it went through was a matchstick factory. The most iconic, places for a fire to go to. As it went through this factory, it got absolutely massive. It jumped over the Chicago River and made its way to the pumping house where the firefighters pumped water to put out fires. The pumping house's roof was made out of wood, so when for the lights, destroying the pumping equipment, making the firefighters even more useless than they already were at that time. So the firefighters simply had to leave the fire. They had to wait 2 days until it was finally put out by what hit us earlier with the rain that seems to be blowing through Lake Michigan right now. So looking over to the left, and I'm hoping for sunny skies for the rest of the tour. So that is the story of the Chicago fire. Now after the fire, as I said, we rebuilt in roughly 20 to 40 years before we were ready to host the next World's Fair. I spoke about this fair earlier. It was a massive event that drove over 20 million people to Chicago. Many new inventions were being shown off at the fair. Nikola Tesla was part of showing off his current electricity, light bulbs, lit up the city at night. Many other inventions were being shown. They also had a sensor piece. The Eiffel Tower was built by a guy named Gustav Eiffel. And fun fact about the Chicago World's Fair, Gustav Eiffel offered to build us. They were struggling to find Chinese architects that were licensed in Illinois. Anyway, this is as far as office is going, so it's coming around right now. And yeah, it looks like the sun is coming out. So cross our fingers the wind doesn't change the direction. And we'll hopefully be able to light down some seats if the weather holds out. Otherwise, some of the buildings that we missed.
There's more Chinatown.
So probably all the stuff we might miss, I'll try to get as much of that in after we start paying. Otherwise, I haven't told you for about 45 minutes.
My back's sunny now. Sounds like it's Chi-Town. That's what's interesting about it. Foreign Post School. That was a windy day. Hope you enjoyed those Instagram pics. Like, comment, repost, and tag me in them. I'm on Instagram account in the description. Go do that.
Three floors of that entire building, and they got the naming rights behind the street that they want to pay. Now, they said the
Tour
world
of the guy
is moving out. top of these two towers, they built the top of the towers an eighth of an inch outwards in order to counterbalance the weight on that training floor. So they built the tower slightly outwards, so you wouldn't notice, but counterbalance the weight on that training floor. Here on the right-hand side is the Chicago Center Opera Building. Seats 3,500 people, the second largest opera house in the U.S.
Chicago
The beautiful
Vortex.
architecture design with some
First time to see that vortex.
You can see the theatrical places just underneath the windows there. Getting a wonderful sunset today. Fantastic. Now, this building looks like a giant chair.
Really sounds
Looks like a big throne. One of the lesser known nicknames for it is Insol's Throne. Samuel Insol is the guy who paid for the building. And they say that this was his throne to look over the western side of the U.S. that the building development paid for. The sad ending to that story is when this opera house was completed, he lost all of his money,
So that's officially docked. Tour's over. It was a dope tour. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe.